Look what we have here. The Battlbox for April 2022. If you follow along with Curran, he was not able to do the video, so this is a complete blind unboxing video. I have no idea what's in here, but it's a really big box. So we're excited. Let's see what's inside. And I didn't get all the tape off the end here. As always, we're going to start off with the mission brief. This will be mission 86. Mission brief 86. Pretty cool waterfall there. Okay. So we're going to start off with the Tactica M2 camping card multi-tool. That's interesting. So it's got a little fire starter, a tent peg puller, a rope cutter, a sharp edge here, and on the inside, on the inside here, little cover, keep you from hurting yourself. Ruler along the side, sundial. All right, takes a little get used to there, and yeah. So there is your camping card multi-tool. Yeah, we'll see. I do carry EDC gear. Kind of gimmicky if you ask me there. But the next item is going to be the pot gripper and handle. All right. For your gas stove. So these are very helpful for your camp stove. Kind of you really need one. It's going to let you vent off the end of the gas. Make sure that you don't have anything left in there. Pretty solid handle for picking up your hot pots. Nice cool copper and black color. And the last item at the basic level is your firelight cubes. Another fire starter item from Survive Outdoors Longer. Right? Contains no fossil fuels. Fire with a single spark. All right. Always very helpful. So in the advanced box, we are doing the Caliloha camp table. And I'm probably gonna I'm not sure if I'll be able to unbox this on the video or not. There's the top. Nice solid bag. Let's reposition here. see if I can get got the frame out. I've not used this one here, but I'll pull out the top. And there's probably a way to make that secure in there to give it some more sturdy. Yep, you clamp those in, and you got a little camp table. All right. All right, so that's your advanced box item, the Caliloha camp table. I wish I had a table right now. Small little table, picnic side, little friendly little item. And then in the Pro box, going on a couple of boxes ago, we had the Klimat seat. And so in this month's box, we bring the Klimat pillow. All right. And so you've got the ultralight camping pillow. From Klimat. And you have the Klimat static sleeping pad. I'm actually very excited about this. I have an old time Thermarest, really large sleeping pad that includes a chair attachment that I've had since college. And I thought, hey, this thing is really, really heavy and I want something lighter. And so we're going to pull out here the sleeping pad. Very nice. Nice size. Looks like that would be very, very comfy. So, yeah, pretty excited about that with the sleeping pad in there. And then I only get the Pro box, but if you did the Pro Plus, it doesn't tell me what I have missed out on. Interesting. So that's your Pro. Get some more coupons and things in the back there. And yeah, very cool. A couple of really cool items there. Personally, probably not going to use the table much, but the camping pad and the pillow will definitely be used in my box, and that's going to come in very handy. Thanks for watching, and let me know what I can do for more. Thanks. Battlebox Mission 86 for April of 2022.